good. You can tell they've done it. I think it's still coming forward. I can't really tell. I know that, like I said, they're setting the weight so that it keeps grabbing traction. Nice. Little climb up on that. That's a deep. That's that one. That's one of the deep holes. Hell yeah.
Okay, everybody sit down.
Now they can sit down so they don't have to disperse the weight
now
from
they'll
side
go
to
in
side.
this river and go.
No, right? Here's another deep spot, so come on with it. We're ready.